cloudy skies. We made our way through the day today. High temperatures did reach the mid-80s, which was down compared to yesterday when we were into the lower 90s. Here's a look at our Regional West weather camera showing that our current temperature has fallen down to 82 degrees in Scottsbluff, with that wind still from an easterly direction around 11 miles per hour, and that dew point pretty dry at 43 degrees. Here's a look at the high temperatures across the region today. Mid-80s at Scottsbluff, Torrington, Chadron, and Sydney. 82 at Alliance, and the 79 up toward Gordon and at Kimball. Here's a look at the current temperature. So the valley locations still into the lower 80s, including Sydney, Chadron also in the lower 80s, but upper 70s, Alliance, Gordon, down toward Kimball, Cheyenne, holding at 75 degrees. So the winds mainly from a northerly or even a little bit of a northeasterly direction. Wind speeds 10 to 20 miles per hour, pumping in that cooler and drier air. As for the satellite loop, not a lot to see here. Just a few passing clouds. Had partly cloudy skies earlier today. Now we're back to mostly sunny skies. Barely any moisture on the map. We have a system that's spinning into the northern plains. That's giving some moisture out in that direction. There's your monsoon low. But our weather is from this high pressure system here. We're on its cool side with that northerly wind, but more high pressure is going to be in store as we make our way through the weekend and beyond. Lots of sunshine. Eventually, we get into more of that southerly wind and temperatures will warm back up. So the skycast shows that temperatures quickly fall back into the 60s this evening and into the 50s during the overnight. Some lows, especially east of Scottsbluff, could be into the upper 40s, but most of us will be into the lower 50s to start off your Saturday. Lots of sunshine, could have more clouds in southeastern Wyoming, but highs will be into the low to mid 80s. So we continue to have temperatures rise as we go through the day on Sunday, starting off in the upper 50s, but highs will be into the upper 80s and lower 90s, still with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. We stay dry, and finally by Sunday, you can see these red arrows on the map. We're back to more of a southerly or south-southeasterly wind. So gone for the end of the weekend is that cool air. Another high-pressure system is in charge. The moisture, as we start next week, will now miss us off to the south. This high will work its way up to the east and give us that strong southerly wind, and we will continue to warm up as we stay clear. So let's take a look at that drought monitor, and things actually just dry. No drought as you make your way east and northeast of Scottsbluff, including the Hemmingford area and even up toward Gordon, but most everybody else not really doing that well. Chadron, that's a severe drought. Wheatland, Chugwater, and just off to the north of I-80, this orange is a severe drought. Scottsbluff in a moderate drought, but the worst of it along the Colorado border, including Cheyenne. That is an extreme drought just off to the south of Sydney and Kimball. Now, it's probably not going to get better over the next week. Here's our typical pattern that we're going to keep for at least one more week. Jet stream to our north. We do have the lows riding across that. This high pressure system is in charge of our forecast. It's giving us sunshine and persistent heat, with the storms missing us off to the east and off to the west. So lots of sunshine. 86 for your Saturday, lower 90s, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now by Wednesday, we have partly cloudy skies. There's a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms, a better chance for Thursday and Friday, otherwise partly cloudy, as temperatures fall back into the upper 80s. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. You may have seen them, the spotted lanternflies. And while their bright colors may look cool, this invasive species eating habitats are bad